Step in.
Okay, step in your costume. We're going to space.
Put in one arm, down the other. Good job.
Good job.
Now that you're all suited up, let's step into the launch pad elevator and ride up to the spaceship.
Here you come. Oh, now we're getting to the spaceship. Oh, there we go. The door's opening.
The doors are open.
The doors are open.
Now step inside our space.
Okay, step inside.
We make ready to blast off. Fasten your safety belts and hold on tight.
All systems go. Minus 10 and counting. 9,
8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Blast off! Woo! Woo! We're going up in air! Yeah! Say bye! Say we'll be back soon. Y'all see the stars?
Tighten your helmet.
Tighten your helmets.
Make sure the lines are attached safely around your waist.
Make sure your seatbelt's on.
Away.
Is your seatbelt's on?
Okay. Let's open the door.
Open the door.
Get ready to jump into space.
I'll get ready to jump into space. 1, 2, 3.
Jump.
Jump! Oh, we're on space now.
Now we're outside the spacecraft.
Woo! Pretend you're walking on space. Look, slowly walk. We're on space.
Ever so easy.
Look at Caleb. He was walking on space. Look, good job. Pretend you're walking on space. Come on, Suzette, Annabelle.
A shower of meteors.
Woo, watch out.
Move it back.
Woo!
Don't let them hit you. Don't stop moving.
Don't stop moving.
It's over. Everyone stop moving.
Oh, everyone stop moving.
We're safe.
We're safe. Phew.
Now, let's pull our safety line so we can return to our space shuttle.
Okay, return to your chair so we go back to space.
Now the other hand. One hand and the other hand. Keep pulling. Good. Now, let's climb inside our spacecraft.
Climb inside. Sophia.
We're inside and safe at last. Now, take off your air tanks and your helmet. And fasten your safety belts.
Okay, put your safety belt on.
This is Houston Control. Prepare for re-entry. Prepare for re-entry.
Listen to the captain.
Now, let's prepare our space shuttle for re-entry. Get ready to start engines. When I count to 3, push your starter button on the computer console. 1,
1,
2,
2,
3.
3. Press the button.
Good job. And now home we go.
We're going home. Woohoo! We're going home.
Get ready for re-entry.
Say bye-bye, space.
Break the sound barrier.
Say it was nice to see you.
Well done.
Hold on tight to the steering wheel. Drive the spaceship. Drive. Are you driving, Annabelle?
Here comes some jets to escort us in.
Oh, here we go. We're landing.
There's the wind. Hold on to that steering wheel.
Hold on to that steering wheel.
Bring the space shuttle down. Nice and easy. We're almost home.
We're almost home.
Touchdown.
Touchdown.
Sure good pilots.
There we go.
Now taxiing to a stop.
We're going to a stop. Hold on. Hold on. Woo.
Now let's open the door to the space.
Open the door. Open the door, y'all. Open the door.
What a surprise!
We made it! Yay!
And look at those TV cameras.
Yay, we made it! Say hip hip hooray! Say hip hip hooray! Say hi! Say hi! Say hi! Hi, Dylan! Say hi! Say hi, Mommy and Daddy! Say hi, Sophia! Hi, Rachel! Look at the princesses! And the princess! Say yay! We made it! Woo! Okay, now dance with your partner. Grab your partner and dance. Dance in your princess outfits. And can y'all tell Suzette thank you?